Alright, so here we go. This is all caused by this. Notice my river going across. Notice the river going into the backyard. This is a known design issue that the city of Portsmouth for some reason cannot fix. This is currently causing damage to my house. This is flooding my basement. This is the only place on my street that floods. It is a known issue, and the city of Portsmouth is refusing to do anything about it. Everything there drains to right here and stays. You tell me this is normal here. But this is what is supposed to be happening. This is not. This is a problem the city refuses to fix. Everything from up here all the way up to the next stop sign, including this entire street here, drain in front of my house. The city refuses to fix this. It's currently flooding my house and my neighbor's house and my other neighbor's house and my other neighbor's house. Known issue, the city refuses to fix it. This is the Florida River.